Thomas, leave my pancake, bro. You been eating my food all week, bro. Starting off with the marble pound cake, bro. Ain't even get to eat my pound cake.
Pour me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Yo, what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Word. So, if you ain't know, Lil Tjay got shot, and now he's in the hospital in critical condition, getting surgery. Which got me thinking, I should make a beat for his recovery. So today, I'm gonna be making an emotional trap beat for Lil Tjay. Word. You know, for when he get better and shit. I don't know, maybe y'all could send it to him, and maybe he'll wanna do a song on the beat. Who knows? Maybe. So, without further ado, in 3, 2, 1.
Steady calling my phone.
Alright, cool. So now we in the studio. I fixed my OBS or whatever. I just had to pick a location. But anyways, yeah, so we inside FL Studio. I'm going to close it and I'm going to reopen it with my beat making template. Because ain't nobody trying to do all of that work. Yo, boy, open up. Like, what's good with you, bro? Alright, cool. So, while FL Studio open up, how y'all day? Y'all doing good? Staying safe? Check up on your peoples? Eating right? Making sure you get some exercise? That's good. Those are the things that's most important. I'm not gonna hold you. If you're not doing those, you're not gonna be happy. Alright, cool. So now FL Studio is fully open. We got the beat making template open and everything. My bad, y'all. You know, I just got this camera. I'm trying to get all the angles right. But yeah, we're load the preset. Bro, get out of my face, bro. How do I? Alright, now get out of my face, bro. Alright, cool. So my bad, y'all. I don't got too much storage, so it's always deleting my presets and stuff before. But yeah, so y'all know what's on the mission for today. Word. So we gonna make this emotional Lil Tjay beat. So I'm gonna hop in the piano roll first, and I'm gonna just get a regular piano. I feel like you're not looking at me though. You looking at me now? You looking at me? Alright, cool. So we in FL keys with it. Y'all know this is how I don't need the thing. So I'm at FL keys with it. Y'all know this is how I start off my beats. My bad, I keep looking at the screen. But this is how I start off my beats. You know, I start off with a piano because I feel like that's like the universal sound of music is the piano. Or the guitar. So let's see. Ooh, okay. Alright, hold on. Alright, cool. So we got the chords now. Now I'm just about to throw on the on top melody, and boom, we got the first melody. Word. Alright, cool. So one thing I'll be doing is when I make top melodies, I don't record it over because sometimes FL Studio will delete like what's under it. So I'll create another pattern and I'll do it, and I'll copy and paste it. It's a lot, I know. Whatever. Anyways, and also because like I like to riff when I do melodies, just because I be thinking of stuff on the spot. So I try to keep my mind open. So like I leave more space for me to keep creating, just in case I want to riff and I'm feeling it. You feel me? So fire. Nah, no cap. Alright, cool. So now I'm done with the beat. Now I'm done. Now I'm done with the chorus. Alright, I'm done with the chords. It's a major chord. Whatchamacallit? Yeah, I got top notes on there and I got bottom notes, and it sound pretty, and you're gonna like it. Hear how it sound. Alright, cool. So now for the third one, with the third melody. Oh my god, where's my head at? My bad, y'all. Now with the second melody, I'm gonna try to put like a little, not grudge, but like I'm gonna try to throw like a nice little pad in there. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. I'm gonna try to find a pad. I also want guitars in there too, but that's later. Let's see, Jupiter. Oh nah, I mean we doing damage today, my boy. Quantize. Yeah, we doing damage today, my boy. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe for the black little white girls. We don't discriminate. Alright, cool. So that one was real quick, real simple, real easy. It was just something to add like a more darker tone to the beat. Just so when I wanted to be a little quieter and dark, I got something. But I went into Citrus and I got the preset out of the patch Jupiter. I've never done this before. I don't know why I'm explaining where I got the sounds from, but I'm gonna start sharing the sounds with y'all because I feel like y'all gonna want to know where the sounds come from. Because I used to want to know where the sounds came from when I did that work. Anyways, and then all I did was add on an EQ. I didn't really do too much with the EQ, and then I threw on a reverb. Boom, bang, boom. Pretty simple with the reverb. Oh, I also did forget to mention my first thing. So with the first melody, it has 2 EQs on it. The first one just taking out the lows from the 130. And then the second one is just reinforcing that. And then I just added on a calm little reverb, small room size, put down the separation, and then the wetness is where the wetness was. Weird. But yeah, back onto the one that we doing now. This is how it sounds. Now we on to the third melody. Yeah, like I want a guitar, but I don't know which guitar. Let me see. Oh, so what I'm doing now is basically I have a melody in mind. It's just that I have to keep singing it over and over so that I can get it into the piano, well, get it out of the piano and into, you know what I'm saying? So I just gotta know the notes. I need drums. I need drums. Alright, I'm gonna mix this because I need drums. Yeah, so basically what I got on that is I have a EQ. I EQ chapped it in the mids and the high mids. And then I threw on a reverb. I threw the room size up. I put the wetness up, but I took the separation down just because I didn't want it all over the place, you feel me? And then I threw in a chorus just because I felt like it was going to touch up with the sound, you feel me? But I'm going to take down a depth just because I don't feel like we need that right now. Alright, cool. So, it's time for the drums, you feel me? It's my favorite part. Yo, I wanted drums on this since the second melody, no cap. So, let's get to it. Wait. Alright, boom. See, I already know I got my drum sounds loaded in. So, all I really got to do, bro, is like, all I got to do is just plug it in. Oh, hold on. I can't use this. I got to use a new one.
Skxppy.
So I hope y'all liked that video, and I hope y'all learn how to make a little TJ type beat. Cool, and make sure to like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow, you feel me? Word. It's always appreciated. And I always say I do these type beats only so you guys can try something new, you feel me? Word. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.